What's up, guys? I just want to make a video reviewing my exhaust. So this is my 2002 EM2 Honda Civic Coupe. I've put a K24A motor in it. It's a JDM motor. Basically got full bolt-ons here. I have a 2.5-inch Yonaka exhaust. I know these motors do better with a 3-inch exhaust. When I first did the swap, I had a 3-inch exhaust, but I couldn't stand how loud it was. So I bought a 2.5-inch exhaust, knowing that I might lose a bit of power. But my plan with the car is I'm gonna turbo it, and then, you know, I'm gonna go back to a 3-inch exhaust when I turbo it. But for now, it works. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of slow passes, medium passes, fast passes, you know, a bunch of flybys, just everything, so you guys can get a pretty good understanding of what a 2.5-inch Yonaka exhaust sounds like with a K24A motor. So yeah, let's go, let's get it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. I hope it helped anybody out who's considering this Yonaka 2.5-inch exhaust. In my opinion, it's the best sounding Honda exhaust. So yeah, thanks for watching.